Alright, it's official. We're putting our license plate on our RV. Here. Alright, come on, babe. We need to make this quick.
Okay. Tell me when.
Go now.
Oh.
I mean, I'm recording. Yeah, no, I gotta get something. Right now it's hand tight.
Okay.
It's official. This bad boy is ours.
Bam.
Woo. Good job.
Okay.
So the good, bad, and the ugly. So we were headed to the beach to stay for the weekend. And our truck broke down. We are on the side of the freeway, waiting for a tow truck with our RV. Our ball joint on the driver's side broke. Just like our ball joint on our passenger side had broke before. All we need to do is get the truck home, the RV there to my mother's house, and we can get it fixed. We'll be back on the road again. Luckily, we're only about 55 miles away from the house, which isn't too bad, but it's starting to get dark. There are no shops open. Today is Friday. It's after 5 o'clock, and we have to wait till tomorrow. So, you break down on the side of the road, remain calm, make a plan, which we have, and just pray. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. Alrighty. Almost ready? Okay.
Okay, where am I?
Alright.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hello.
I'm Monique.
And I'm Will.
And we are living the good life.
Rving.
And we come to you with another update of what we're doing today.
Yes, we are.
So, this past couple of days, we did have some car trouble.
Yeah.
And a tip from other people, which we should have took, was when things happen, get them fixed ASAP.
Right.
So, we got our ball hub.
Yeah.
What is it?
Ball joint. So it was
on the passenger side fixed about a month ago.
Right.
And we were given advice to make sure you go ahead and get the other ones fixed.
Right.
And we procrastinated.
Yes, we did.
And didn't. Well, the other one bad, and
it broke.
It broke on us while we were towing the RV.
Yes.
So, one thing led to another. We had to be towed.
Yep.
RV and truck. And we made it home safely.
Yes, we did.
And we got the truck fixed.
Thank God.
So, today we moved to a new campground. And we are currently in Lake Elsinore, California.
Lake Elsinore.
And we are at the Lake Elsinore RV Marina Boat Launch Resort.
Yep.
And it is pretty packed in here.
Yeah, we were surprised.
There's a little bit more people than at the last campground. So, it's going to take a little time to get used to. But
we have a good spot, though.
We do have a nice spot.
We're under this beautiful
no one
tree.
Actually around us at all. On our passenger side, there is no spaces for anyone. We're near the office.
Right.
And then on the driver's side, there's 3 spots open to the right of us. And behind us, there are 3 spots open as well. So, we are pretty contained in this little area here.
Yeah.
So, but we will give you a tour of this campground and let you know how it goes. We'll be here for 4 days, and then we move on, and we are going to go to another campground.
Yeah. We'll let you know.
We're getting better at setting up.
Yeah, we're doing it a lot quicker.
Yeah. And travel days are, as everyone say, a little stressful, and they are, only because we had car problems. And now we're doing okay. My nerves are at ease. We are here.
Right.
And we're going to go ahead and get some dinner.
Yeah. We're going to get some Chinese food.
And that's what you want?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
I like Chinese
we will
food.
get back to you guys.
Yeah.
But we are doing just fine.
Right.
And we didn't have that far to travel today. Today our travel mileage was only probably 20 miles.
Wow, really that much? I didn't even think it was that much.
I think it was about 20 miles.
Okay.
It might have been less than that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we didn't have to go far. So.
Yeah.
And we have lots of friends around us, so hopefully they'll come visit us while we're here.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah. A lot of trees here too.
Yes.
Nice trees.
There is a tree that is blocking our awning. So that is definitely going to be an issue. But we'll make do.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we'll get back to you guys.
Yes, we will.
See you later.
Okay.
Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life.
And living the dream.